Good day friends, welcome to my artist box. Today we are going to do upcycling of glass bottles. For this, whatever bottles you have at home, you can use it. It can be sauce bottles or coffee powder bottles or drinking water bottle. I am going to use a sandwich spread bottle that I have already purchased for some other purpose. And I will be using acrylic white color. I'm using Camel companies and some paper tapes. And also I will be using a palette to mix the paints and some cotton balls. You can also use sponges, pieces of sponges, paints. And then an important part is acrylic paint. I am using here Faber-Castell acrylic colors. You can use any company that you have at home. So first we have to clean the surface of the glass bottle. I have already done this for my bottle. Actually, what you can do is you can just immerse the full bottle in water for half an hour, and then if you rub with your fingers, the all the stickers will come off. So since I have already done that, we will go along with the process right now, friends. Okay, so the basic thing that we are going to do here is I'm going to cover the full bottle with white color. So I am using camel colors because I use a lot of white color, so I have a bigger bottle. You can use the smaller bottle that is available with the set of acrylic colors in the box itself. So shall we start the process? It is better not to mix water over here because the thickness of the acrylic paint will give you a nice texture. You will get different textures when you use different type of uh, products to smudge across. Sponge will give you a different type of texture. I have cotton balls at home, so I am using cotton. You can use fabric also, different kinds of fabrics, jute. You can use jute sack, bits and pieces of those also. It will give a nice effect. Okay, so the thing is, like, we are going to completely cover the full bottle and the lid with the white paint. You can also use black paint. That will also give a different effect, but right now I'm just going to cover it all with white paint, guys. It's a very messy work, but the product will be very beautiful. So please try to ignore my fingers that are becoming so messy. The dabbing should be done properly, guys. It should be a quick process, otherwise you will smudge the whole white paint on the bottle, and trust me, that will not look good on the bottle surface. Now I have covered almost all over the glass surface, both all the sides and the bottom part, to give a beautiful look. let it dry for a bit of a time. Since it is acrylic paint, it will not take much of your time. If you're doing it under the fan, it will dry very quickly. It may take 5 minutes to dry the full piece. So we need the glass bottle to be dry for the next step. The lid is dry now, so I'm just going to show you another type of texture that can be given by the paint brush. Gentle strokes like a painting will not be looking good on this effect. We can call this as a marble effect, which is uneven and it will give you a rustic look for your piece. Okay, so this is to show you that different products can give you different texture type. So can you differentiate between the texture that is given by the cotton and by the paint brush? Now the paint brush will be a bit smoother than the cotton ball, because the surface of the cotton ball is a bit rougher than the paint brush. Okay, so now the lid is almost covered with my favorite purple color, so I'm just going to let it dry for a little bit of a time, so that it will be when I use it, it will be better. So guys, you can use paint, or you can also decorate it with kundan stones or anything on the top, so that will also give a better look for the lid. Now since the bottle is dry, I'm going to paste my paper tapes haphazardly across the bottle. Anyway, any shape you want. Like I need some blocks of the glass bottle that is not covered with tape. No need to have any particular shape or structured like that, any particular pattern to be followed. It's not like that. It's just I'm just randomly covering some parts with the paper tape. I have covered the full bottle with paper tape. Now I'm going to take different colors of acrylic paints, and I am going to just dab one part of the bottle with one color, so that it will give a colorful effect on the bottle. So I'm just going to do that and cover the whole bottle with different colors. So now I have covered the full bottle with colors. Let it dry for another 5 minutes. Here I'm going to show you the effect of cotton dabbing on the lid. This is another lid that I have already made with white paint, just to show you the difference between the brush stroke and the cotton ball dabbing. I'm just going to do it with another color over here and show it to you. Okay, so by this time the bottle would have been dried up. So now it is time for us to keep the lid down and enjoy the effect that we have created on the glass bottle. This is actually a bit easier work to be done, but since it is glass, I am not putting it as a kids activity because it's not safe for the kids to use glass bottles. But if you are going to supervise them, if you're going to support them, then these dabbing things can be done by the kids, and it will be a very good effect on their time. So now I'm just going to remove the tapes, paper tapes. That's why I specifically mentioned paper tapes, guys. Cello tapes will make the paint stick to it and it will remove the paint off it, but paper tape will not do that one. It can be removed very easily from the surface. So now you can see the places where we have stuck the paper tape to be white. That is what we have given as a base color. So if you have given the base color as black, then these lines will be in black color. So I'm just going to remove all the tape over here, and look how beautiful it is becoming. The bottle, we cannot really, nobody can tell that it is a old bottle that we had at home some time ago. So this is called upcycling, guys. Recycling is different and upcycling is different. You can use upcycling for so many other things also. I will be posting so many videos for upcycling things at home. You can use this and make your kitchen very pretty and very nice. Instead of the usual plain glass bottles, you can use this. It just gives the effect of some ceramic pot or something like that. Bye guys, see you next time with another project more beautiful than this. Please like, share and subscribe, guys. Bye.